Good morning. What's going on, guys? Welcome back. Hopefully everybody out there is keeping safe. Hopefully everybody out there is keeping well. Today, guys, we're going to go through another live trading session step by step where we go through the live trade from A to Z, from the analysis, the picking up the stock, the execution, and the reasoning. Because as day traders, we need to have logic and some kind of reason behind why we're entering a trade other than the patterns that I'm assuming every day trader will have accumulated over time to give them an edge over the market. So let's get right into it, guys. Simple wording, simple language, no big jargons, and simple laptop. I'm going to be trading with my slippers. I don't need to look like a professional or sound like a professional or sound like I know what I'm talking about to be able to day trade. And I see this a lot nowadays on the internet. You know, everybody says, I know it. No, I know it. No, he doesn't know it. I know it. I'm better. Blah, blah, blah. You'll come across them. If you're new to trading, you will come across them. This industry is filled with babies. Let's get right into it, guys. Hopefully you learn a thing or two. And smash that like button if you want more of these tutorials. Alright? Alrighty, guys. So first thing first, let's find the stocks that we want to trade. Now, we want volatility in a stock. Stocks that have gapped down or gapped up before market open. And there is a reason why they gap up or down, or basically go up or down before market opens. It's because there's some piece of news article regarding this company. And right now we've got two stocks that I'm focused on. Have a look at my game plan that I just shared with the chat room, guys. I do this every morning before the stock market opens. So I'm watching airline stocks and Caterpillar. So this final piece here, guys, at the bottom, okay, that I just highlighted. So both of these stocks just released earnings reports. LUV basically posted an earnings report that says it's down. It's posted its first loss since 2011, and obviously that's because every airport in the world or airline in the world is basically put on hold and it's not flying, so the revenue is going to suffer. Caterpillar, same thing. So we're going to bet that these stocks will go down in value, so we're going to short them. And one thing you have to be aware of when you're reading such news, now that majority of stocks are priced in, because when the crash happened, when the sell-offs happened, people were already anticipating the worst. So maybe these stocks are already priced in, so they might go against logic for now. So be prepared for that. So we have to be patient here. Obviously our trade is going to last 5-10 minutes max, so we have to be patient. We might have to go against logic here, i.e. by buying the stock rather than shorting it. But we'll be able to tell once we read the price action on the day. So let's jump right into it, guys. Let's execute this trade and also show you the results of this chat room. Smash that like button and let's jump right into it, guys. Hopefully everybody gets to do well, and hopefully you learn something from this video. Okay, guys. So I'm watching Caterpillar and LUV. So all of these stocks just got pumped before market open. But here we go, guys. I'm looking at Caterpillar for a short. Here we go. One more and I'm jumping into short position here, guys, with 200 shares. So I'm looking at the price here. You can focus on the price or the candlestick. You see how it's jumping rapidly. It doesn't want to. So there's LUV, guys. So I'm two stocks, focused on two stocks. Alright, investors are looking, is this stock worth a buy or is this stock worth a short? So there's a confusion here. But there's another opportunity here, guys, on Southwest, because like I said, remember what I said, guys, majority of stocks are now priced in. Yeah, this thing here is one of those that just wants to play around. So the overall market is gaining lift at the moment. So that's why patience is important in trading, guys. Frustrating waiting around. It gets frustrating at times. There it is. Right, so I'm in, guys, short position, 1,000 shares here on Southwest Airlines. and we're up now. $50, $100, $120, $150, $200, $270, $300, guys. Okay, $400. Okay. So I just took 390, guys, from this. So I'm waiting for another opportunity here. I want to short, go back to shorting Caterpillar now. 200 shares. So we took around 400 just there, guys, we took 400 from America or LUV, and we're now in to Caterpillar. So in Caterpillar now, let me have a look at the chat room. Here's the chat room, guys. Chat room is absolutely killing it here. Green means profit, by the way. Green, 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 green. Well done, guys. Green, green, green. That's the color I like. Okay, so well done. Let me go back. Now we're at 36 up, 48. It's only 200 shares here. So I believe there's more to be made here on this trade, guys. But back to the chat room. More greens coming in, guys. Well done to everybody. That's what I like seeing. 2% green, etc., etc. So I'm gonna have to cover this because I don't believe there is much left here. There's the pullback, and I'm gonna add another short position of 100 shares. So we're now 300 shares in that trade, guys. But have a look while we're waiting for Caterpillar, guys, to bring out the profit. Let's have a look at the chat room. Well done, absolutely amazing. 230 green. I made a rule for everybody not to share the actual profit, so when people see it, they don't get FOMO, fear of missing out. But well done to everybody. Okay, we're still waiting on Caterpillar. So there we go, guys. Okay, 97. Okay, so that's literally $500 today, and obviously as soon as I enter, it continues down. But well done to everybody. That's what I like seeing. First trade, 2%. Lovely. That's what I like. Is to see the chat room doing well. Now I just want to leave the chat room, guys, and just have a look at the chat room itself. You know, it's motivating, and I'm happy to see everybody do well. By the way, if you want to join the chat room, guys, it comes with the course. You get access to it. I'm there on the chat room every single day, and you'll learn my way of trading in more details. You learn the patterns, the price action, etc., etc. But the most important lesson here is being able to kind of just wait and read the price action. I was jumping between Caterpillar, LUV, etc., etc., and then there's this indication that I got. That's where I jumped in, executed my trade, and walked away. So the chat room is still going. Chat room is still sharing their profit. Several people typing. Literally, guys, it looks like it's a clean sheet today for everybody. No losses whatsoever. You know, all these profits. Let me see. Yeah, it looks like a clean sheet so far. Others trading with small capital, others large capital, so it depends. So 1% of the price of the stock is what we aim for. So I'll leave this video here. Have a look at the chat room. Continue looking at the chat room. Maybe it motivates you. You know, I haven't seen a single red today, and that's good. Everybody's on the same page. Obviously, everybody learns how to trade, so it's not like a signals group. Yeah, that's it, guys. I'll see you again for more videos, just like always. Appreciate you for watching. Smash that like button if you found some value. Peace and love, just like always. See ya.